Hello guys and welcome back into a brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run GitHub code online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this method will be using just an online editor that will allow us to run the code online. So basically we are just going to open our project in a Visual Studio Code online. So I'm just going to create a new repository so I can show you how to run the code online. And simply we will be needing just to start a repo, and from here we can simply let's just go back and let's just go, for example, to any other projects, and from here I will need just to add to change this .com, and I will make it as .dev. So from here I'm just going to type .dev and make sure that you are inside the repository so you can open the projects uh, inside the GitHub or the VS Code online. And as you can see, now I have my project, and basically you will be needing, of course, to start installing your uh, extensions, your interpreters, etc. And I'm just going here and go to main.py in my case, and basically I will be needing to run this code. So here we have everything here. And now we will be needing just to go to run in the debug. So here we will need just to click on continue working on this remote here. And basically you can, after that, reopen the remote, or you can add some development here, and you can start add some uh, containers or whatever so you can run the code online. Otherwise, you can simply just go to some other online editors, and from there you will be able to run your code there. So here let's just right click, and from here, as you can see, you can just find this delete permanently, etc. And you will be needing just to configure the run and the debug so you can add them, or so you can be able to open up or to run uh, the code online. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.